Hello everybody, now it's time to look at 9B in your books. Today we're going to look at Unit 9B, okay?
Hello and welcome to 9B White Gold. It's on page 72. We're going to look at page 72 now. But first, did you go shopping last week? What did you buy? Did you buy rice? Did you buy apples? Did you buy water? What did it come in? What was the name of the container? Today we're going to look at the names of containers, and we're also going to look at how much and how many. So at the top of page 72 you can see some containers. Okay, you can see a bottle, a box, a can, a carton, a jar, a packet and a tin. Which one is the bottle? That's it, number 3. Which one is the box? It's a heart-shaped box full of Easter eggs or jelly beans, but we can call them Easter eggs this time. Which one is a can and which one is a tin? Now, this could be a tin or a can, and this could be a tin or a can, and it very much depends where you are in the world. But for our purposes, we're going to say number 6 is a can of tonic water, and we're going to say that number 4 is a tin of pineapple chunks. Then we've got a carton of apple juice. Then we've got a jar. So this is a bottle, number 3, but number 7 is a jar of honey in this case. Then we've got a packet. You can have a packet of crisps. In this case, we've got a packet of pasta from Tesco. From Italy, in fact. And there we go. So number 1, a packet of pasta. Number 2, a carton of apple juice. Number 3, a bottle of mineral water. Number 4, a tin of pineapple chunks. Number 5, a box of jelly beans. Number 6, a can of fizzy drink, or a can of tonic water, this one says. And finally, a jar of honey. Okay, good. What other things can you think of? What would you find biscuits in? You can have a tin of biscuits, you can have a box of biscuits, but normally a packet of biscuits. Okay, what do you think with cereal? A box of cereal? Probably. Coke? A bottle of Coke? Yeah. A tin of Coke? Can of Coke? Yeah. Crisps? Generally, of course, a packet of crisps. Sometimes you have a tube of crisps, like the Pringles. Jam? What do you think? A jar of jam? Yeah. Now, milk, we can have many different containers, and of course, we can use the word container for all of these. A container of milk, what kind of container? A bottle of milk, sometimes. A carton of milk, very often. Okay. They're in plastic bottles now, aren't they? Salt, we can have in all sorts of things. I'm going to say, in this case, a packet of salt if you're going to get a big pack of it. Same with sugar, packet of sugar. And tuna normally comes in tins, doesn't it? Okay, let's have a look at some ideas. And there we go. Okay. Possible answers. Okay. So let's look at part 2, grammar. Quantifiers. Look at the photos of food and drink, and you need to put a number. How much sugar or how much salt do you think is in each one of these? Okay, How much sugar? Let's look at how much sugar over here. And the answer can be, how much sugar is in a can of Coke? None, maybe, if it's Coke Zero. A little. I think actually that's Coke Zero. Quite a lot. That's more like fruit juice. Or a lot. And you know there is a lot of sugar. Okay? How much sugar is there in a can of Coca-Cola? I think about 7 spoons of sugar. It's a lot. Okay? So we're going to give that one number 3. Okay? 3 is a lot of sugar. Which one has no sugar? Is it dark chocolate, an apple, or an egg? Yeah? An egg, yeah, has absolutely no sugar. Okay? So we can ask a question. How much sugar is there in an egg? And the answer, none. Okay. Next question. How much sugar is there in dark chocolate? In dark chocolate, not that much, I think. I think it's only a little. Okay. Maybe number 1. How much sugar is there in dark chocolate? I'm not sure. Quite a lot. I'm not sure. Only a little. Only a little. Yeah. Okay. A little means not much, not a lot. And in an apple, now an apple has a lot of natural sugar, not like Coca-Cola. So I think that's going to be number 2 if everything is fair. So that will be quite a lot. How much sugar is there in one apple? Okay, how much sugar is there in an apple? And the answer, quite a lot. Okay, there's quite a lot of sugar in an apple. Okay, can you try the questions for these ones also? How much salt? Okay, how much salt is there in? Okay, and then just say the name of it. So how much salt is there in a packet of crisps? And the answer, I think a lot of salt in a packet of crisps. What do you think? Number 3 is the answer. Yep, there is a lot of salt in a packet of crisps. Okay, can you try it with the other ones? If you press pause now, then I'll go through the answers in a moment. Okay, we're coming back again now. How much salt is there in a slice of bread? That's a slice of bread. We haven't had that one before. Quite a lot. How much salt is there in a bottle of mineral water? A little, and it really means not very much. How much salt is there in a bottle of olive oil? None. Okay,